Hello, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to share with you a very beautiful story. The name of the story is The Devil's Bell and the Wise Woman. Once upon a time, there lived a petty thief in a village. One day, he stole a temple's bell and ran towards the forest. A tiger heard the tingle of the bell and looked around for the sound curiously. Suddenly, a tiger saw the thief with the bell and killed him. The bell fell to the ground. After a few days, a group of monkeys, while passing by that area, spotted the bell. One of them picked the bell and said, "Hey, it sounds so melodious." The others nodded yes and said, "Let's take it with us." Now, every night before going to sleep, the monkeys sat atop the hill in the forest and tinkled the bell in fun. Hearing the sound of the tingling bell every night, the villagers were terrified. A few days later, the villagers found the dead body of the thief near the roadside and exclaimed, "Surely there is a devil in the forest who kills humans and then rings the bell joyously." Shortly, this rumor spread all over the village. Without giving any second thought, the villagers started leaving the village in terror. Among all, there lived a brave and wise woman, Shama, who said, "Friends, do not panic. I am sure it is something else. Maybe it is the prank of some animals." But no one believed her. Next day, Shama boldly went into the jungle to find out what the matter was. To her surprise, she saw some monkeys playing with the bell. Shama understood everything and rushed to the king's palace and said, "Your Majesty, trust me, there is no devil in our village. But I would require some monkeys to prove this." The worried king ordered his ministers, "Give her the amounts she wants." Then, turning towards Shama, he said, "If you prove it, I will reward you. But if you fail, be ready for punishment." Courageous Shama took the money and went to buy some groundnuts and bananas. Carrying everything, she went to the forest and spread all the eats below the tree where the monkeys were sitting. Cautiously, she hid herself behind another tree. No sooner the monkeys saw food, they dropped the bell and rushed to eat the feast. Relieved, Shyama quickly grabbed the bell and rushed back to the village. The next day, she went to the king's court and said, "My lord, here is the table's bell," and narrated the whole story to the king. Since that day, there was no noise and everybody heaved a sigh of relief. The king rewarded Shyama for her wisdom and courage. The moral of the story is, do not believe others blindly until you see it for yourself.